Hi, this is the finished product of my Alzheimer's and brain Tablescape Awareness 2020. As you can see, I have my centerpiece. I just went all floral. I pretty much used purple flowers. I also used some pink flowers and white flowers. I kept it real floral light, but I used pastel colors. I have my white and silver plates here, and I also have my spoon and fork that I just used. I did not use a butter knife this time. My champagne glass, and I also have my silverware in a cross state right here. My tablescape today is dedicated to anyone that suffers from Alzheimer's, or anyone that suffers from any type of brain injury, or if you know anyone that suffer through either or. Just know that we're praying for you and that this table is for you. Alright, I wanted to dim the light so you can get a better look of my table. I want to give special thanks to Miss Candy and Miss Tammy for allowing us to join them on this open invite for this particular tablescape. Thank you so much. It was an honor doing this table. Their links will be in my description box. And also check out the playlist so you can see all the other participants for today's tablescape. Just know I love y'all and continue to stay blessed.